Hi everyone, it's the locksmith, and today I'm doing a quick repair for someone on a plug that's come off that was cut on a vehicle. So basically we're going to add some flux and then we're going to solder it all up and oh come on, there we go, got a tinny, but it's okay, we'll make it work. There we go. So we heat under it and we basically solder it all and then we tape it up, and that's how you do a quick repair on a plug. Now it is snapped under the vehicle, so we are going to have to get back under it, strip the wires back and do it, but basically we cut the old sheathing back, we join the wire which was broken by here, and then we add flux and we solder it, and basically that's it. Now we're going to tape it and get it back in the vehicle. It's just a quick one just to show you how I solder. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.